Hello, this clip will solve the problem when Smart Netcom T800 cannot connect to the host machine. It will be like this: remote desktop can't connect to the remote computer. How to check? First, look at it. Click Edit to see if we set the server address correctly or match our host. Do you want it? Another thing to look at is the topic of network setting. The IP address of the T800 must be the same IP as host. You can see 192.168.1.19 of T800, while the address is 192.168.1.2.0 host. Yes to enter. Enter the user password that we have set. Accept to work now. Anyway, do not forget to check the IP that is the same for both T800 and host. Thank you.